Okay, this is a video of the utility room and cloakroom prior to boarding, with the first fix electrics and the first fix plumbing all completed, and the MVHR. Okay, so coming into the doorway, this is the cloakroom area just from afar. Just going up the wall, around by the soil pipe, up the wall behind. That's the pipe layout upstairs on the first floor ceiling. I should say the ground floor ceiling. Okay, all complete there. And down the far wall where there's actually no pipes at all. Coming back into the utility room, up the door, pipe layout for the underfloor heating, MVHR, and the plumbing and electrics. There we are. Down to the doorway of the kitchen. Okay, going across. This is the area in front of the window. I'll show you that in a second. Just turning the camera around and back down again to include the window this time. That's where the sink for the utilities going. Wash machine and the dryer is here. Double socket. A few spare there as well. MVHR outlet, yet to cut back the expanding foam. MVHR pipes, congested area this. MVHR outlet for the utility room, sorry, should I say inlet in this case. Back wall of the kitchen. Once again, just coming back this time. Walking back towards the cloakroom. Okay, and back into the cloakroom here, and forwards again, and the machine room at the back. We'll do that as a separate video, and that's it.